And I'm proud to be a Goan because we have got the 20.38% of the land in the protected area. Nowhere. In such a very small state, this much big protected area is not a joke. No, in the world, I think Goa is the only place where one side is a sea having 200 meters CRZ, other 14 kilometers Western Ghats protected and protected area. And within that stretch of land, we, the Goan people, are living in between, because Goa has got at an average 45 kilometers with crow fly. And in this small stretch, Goan people are happily living with all amenities, and that too loving wildlife and forests at their heart. That is the greatest part of the Goan population, whoever lives in Goa. From today I am free bird. I am not going to celebrate any wildlife week or whatsoever. I am going to fly in the sky without any limits. I am going to stand behind the people, those who are suffering on the fringes of the protected area. That is my target. Because government is not providing them whatever amenities required to be provided. Once you declare a wildlife sanctuary, that solatium, whatever they go through, is not been given to them till date since 1969. Because first sanctuary was declared in 1969. And till date, they are suffering. We are, as an officer, I could not do anything because I was sitting on this side. Now I will sit on other side. But I will help them, because unless and until the people love you, people are with you, you cannot conserve. Even I have been given a helicopter and 2 gunners with stain guns. No, it is not possible to conserve the forest and protect the wildlife. If you want to protect the wildlife and forest, love people. Take the people with you. Not just take the people. If they go wrong, hit them. But bring them on the right line and get the forest and wildlife conserved. This message I give you. Please pass on to the others, those who are not here. This is my request for all, and my forest and my wildlife will survive with you people. Thank you. Jai Hind.